Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make DuckDuckGo your default search engine in Google Chrome. So let's get started. Now guys, there are actually two different ways how you can do that. You either download DuckDuckGo as an application and web browser on your computer and simply use it as your default web browser. That will give you or make DuckDuckGo also your default search engine, obviously. The other option would be, guys, if you'd like to stick to Google Chrome as your favorite web browser, but use DuckDuckGo instead of Google Search as your default search engine, simply launch Google Chrome and here in the top right corner, click on these three dots and select settings from the drop-down menu. That is going to take you to your web browser settings in Google Chrome. Select search engine here from the left sidebar and simply click on Manage Search Engines inside Search. As you can see, Google is currently my default search engine, but you can switch to another search engine like, for example, Brave or DuckDuckGo or Microsoft Bing, Ecosia, Yahoo, and so on and so forth, and simply select DuckDuckGo by clicking on these three dots here to the right and click on Make Default. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.